All right, so on the treble hook and hot dog, I start to reel it in. I realize it's a turtle, so I'll have my dad try to reel this in and show you guys. Good Lord.
It's a big snapper too, so be careful. I would just cut the line at some point, pal.
Look at the size of this thing. See if I can change the view in here for you guys.
Get him in any further. He doesn't want to come in. He's putting his feet in the mud.
If you guys can see this or not.
That's scary.
That thing is good size. Who's going to win, the turtle or the fishing line? If the line breaks, whatever. I mean, I'm not going to be able to get the hook out of his mouth regardless. He's got his left paw or claw on the line, it looks like. I think he's getting a little mad.
Putting his head in his shell.
Mm-hmm. He's sitting on a rock. He's not too happy, let's just say. He's probably regretting this hot dog. He's trying to turn and swim is what he's trying to do. Oh. Now he's turned all the way around, realizing he has to swim the opposite direction. And he's trying to.
Can't believe he's not biting that line in half.
I think that pole maybe has 20 pound on it, or possibly 30 pound. I don't know what's on that one, to be honest. This is a heck of a fight. What if you try walking that way with it and just try to get him off that rock? He's learned he can hold his weight on that rock is what he's doing.
He doesn't want to come this way.
There he is. He's off the rock now. Remember, it is a treble hook, but I don't think it's going to come out of his mouth. Here you can get a good look at what he looks like. He's making some noises. I wonder if he's starting to wear down. Well, he's going to try to swim here, it looks like. Look at him, he's trying to swim now. And he's realizing he's not going anywhere. He's got his head. Yeah. He's got his head all the way in the shell. If you guys can see that on the. I don't know if he's trying to bite the line or if he just thinks his best. There we go. He's snapping at it. He's not too happy. Look at his mouth. This thing's bigger than you guys think it is. Oh, he's hissing. Oh. He's trying to break the line. Can you guys see that with his... Can you hear that? Sounds like a person heavy breathing. Well, I think we're gonna have to give up on this. He's trying to swim. He kind of is swimming. Hey, look at him trying to bite that line. Wish I had a net or something. I haven't got anything other than just poles. Alright, well, we're gonna have to cut him loose. Because he's not biting through the line and we're not breaking the line either. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.